guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is not a regular video that I do. Today I will be going to the Club Factory. They have invited me to the first ever offline store of Club Factory, which is open in Delhi. It is in M Block Market of Greater Kailash 1. It is in the basement of the shop, which is, the shop number is M14 and the name of the shop is Kunchals, and you can easily find it. I was very excited to go there, mainly because I've done a lot of Club Factory videos and I have kind of a mixed opinion about Club Factory. It is an affordable website. You get a lot of affordable stuff, but I really want to explore the things there. I want to see the quality of the products and I want you guys to come along with me. So yes, let's get started, and the footage after this particular clip would be the vlog part of it, where of course I will be trying a couple of things and I'm gonna take you along. So yeah, let's get started and let's go. Still on the way there. Today's Saturday, so there's not really a lot of traffic, but still Greater Kailash is kind of a little bit far from my place, so still in the traffic, but it's fun with the radio on and all of that. So yeah, I'll see you. I'm wearing this mango sweater. I told you guys that I got from Myntra, not during the EORS, but this has definitely gone down price wise on Myntra. I'm wearing a Forever 21 skirt with some leggings from H&M. I'm going to show you everything in detail properly in a bit, so yeah, I'll see you. Now I'm going to M14. It is in Greater Kailash 1, M14, and this market is amazing. Get a lot of stuff, so maybe after visiting the store, maybe we can see a couple of things if we can purchase here some things. And I have so much of thing on me that it is so difficult to walk. So let's go. I'll just show you. It's like bumper to bumper. This is the state of traffic at the moment. Can you see? It's like bumper to bumper. There's this small little Club Factory red box right over here where I can see. I'm literally walking on this, you know, on the side besides the footpath. So here we are, guys. We are into the first Club Factory shop.
In basement.
Basement kahan? Kidhar se?
Aage se right.
Thank you. Hi. Club Factory? ओके और ऊपर क्या है? ये क्या है? अच्छा, कॉस्मेटिक. So Club Factory is actually in the basement. You'll have to walk all the way down. Yeah. So as I come down the stairs, there's on your left hand side, there's this skincare thing, which is not a part of Club Factory. You have to actually go onto your right, and I'll show you. So they have all this apparel, and this is also available online, guys. So you'll get all of this online. As she mentioned that just because of the you know, dollar fluctuations, there might be a little bit of a difference in the price range, but other than that the pricing is the same. But we also know that the price of Club Factory is kind of increased, and I like the quality here. The famous Club Factory jewelry. Like for example, this is for 301 rupees. It's a long necklace, and you can obviously come here, see the quality by yourself. The price is mediocre. I would not really say that it is very affordable. So this is all the jewelry that you have, and when I see it here in person, it's looking really pretty.
Yes. The feather one is also nice.
Yeah, I have this. I've got this. So this is pretty. It's very beautiful.
And the price is also nice. If you see, only 171.
171. Yes, guys, we'll have to agree on that. Some of the beautiful pieces are
very affordable.
It's affordable, but it's not really cheap. They call it like the factory pricing, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the jewelry section right over here. We have a lot of rings over here. You can come here and try for yourself all these beautiful rings. amazing shoes.
Footwear.
Yeah, footwear. What is the price range of the footwear like?
From, if I'm talking about this, the price is only 940.
940 for.
And the heel is very good, and
Yeah.
the quality is also.
So for the pair of pumps, you'll have to pay 940. And
Yes.
you were speaking. Somebody was speaking about some discount for my subscribers if somebody visits here. Any discount?
She wants to know whether there would be some discount for the subscribers.
Right now we are giving a discount of 10% from 22nd to 25th.
25th to my subscribers.
Yes.
So how they have to actually avail the discount? They'll come here. They'll say that we have come through Sana.
And we have to give an 10% discount on online shopping also. We have given the coupon code for them.
Okay.
Yes.
So can I have that coupon code?
Yeah, sure. I'll show. Yeah, valid for only 1 month.
1 month.
Yes.
Not till 22nd to 25th,
No,
right?
no.
Okay, guys. So this is the coupon code. You'll get 10% off if you
On
come
online.
Okay, on both online and offline. So make
Offline you will get the 10% discount from 22nd to 25th December.
great. So you all got it. Use this coupon, shop whatever you want to, and have a lot of discount. Yeah. We are trying a couple of things here.
What's on that?
I saw this on the website and this was like I really liked it because Delhi में बहुत ठंड हो गई है अभी. Yes, you speak Hindi, right?
Yeah.
These are all also the items involved.
Okay, great. I'll try it. So we have this stole right over here. इसका price कितना है?
Only 387.
Oh, great. So I think there were so many colors available in this one
Yes,
on the website as well.
online, yes.
If I'll find a link, I'll put in the description box, guys. It's a pretty stole. The quality is really nice. It's a thin material and it's good for 300. Looking nice.
And the one,
Oh, we have a
Hair
brush.
comb.
We have a hair brush, and this is amazing for people like me who have tangly hair all the time. Oh, I am not wearing any earring. I walked out of the door and I was like, oh God, I forgot to wear anything. But we
right
have.
now you can wear.
Yes, we have this thing right over here. It's very pretty. I hope this focuses. I love this one when I saw it online. So yeah, it's very pretty. कितने का है ये?
Only 200.
I think
171.
171.
Yes.
Acha, this is the one I saw there as well.
Yes.
Really pretty for the price.
Yes.
The quality is also good. Oh wow, stationery of Club Factory is one of
Yes.
my favorite. You have everything of stationery over here as well.
No.
In this
It's
store.
in offline stores. Yes.
Acha, it is not available in offline.
Yes.
So sadly, we do not have stationery in the offline stock, but online there's tons
Yes.
and loads
There's
of.
lots of varieties.
Lots of it, yes, right.
And the bag.
Oh wow, bags. So white bag, a structured bag, has some logo over here. I don't normally show things with logos. I have had not such a good experience with Club Factory bags.
Okay.
What is the price of this one?
Wait, I'll check.
But I guess if you go a little bit higher in price, you get better quality stuff from
Yes.
Club Factory.
Yes. Yes. But the price is also low, but the variety, means like the quality is also good.
Oh great, so it has a
There's a
lot
lot
of parts. They have this one big giant bag over here, then inside we have this bag, and then
this bag also.
Oh yeah, there's a small little pouch over here. Then we have this pouch, which of course you can use.
The one more.
Yeah, we have a wallet as well, and this big bag, which of course you can use to keep your makeup or any essential. No. This can be an iPad sleeve, I
Yes.
guess, right? Yeah. And a keyring holder, which is
Yes.
great. Yeah.
Yes.
People would love to know the price of this one because it's a very useful product.
Yes.
This is the 3591, but
But I have lots of varieties.
but they
and
also have some affordable bags
Yes.
as well. We have a coat, lot of winter wear. So yeah, this is what it looks like for 3578. It's a long coat. Is it a trench coat? It's a long coat, fuzzy coat.
And with the Billy.
Looks nice to me. And what about the sizing and all? All the sizes and everything is available.
Yes.
So guys, this is what the coat looks like. I guess it's a very smart coat and it's very apt for this season at the moment. Looks really nice to me. perfect for my height. I'm not very tall, so often, you know, long coats are a bit difficult. They go sometimes, you know, below the knee, and it has some furry thing over here if you're like very cold.
So you can use it.
Yes, you can obviously use it. It's very soft as well.
Yeah. But the quality and the warm is very...
Yeah, it is definitely very warm.
Yes.
Nice. I'm going to try these boots. These look really nice. What size is this? Okay, it fits me.
39.
It's been how long since we have this store?
It's 1 month.
It's been 1 month.
Yeah.
So these are the boots, guys. These are my boots. I'll show probably. It's very comfortable, yeah?
Yes.
These are very comfortable and they look so Christmassy sort, na?
Yes. And there's a high boot.
Yeah, and they have like, I guess 3 inches of heels.
Yes.
3 inches for sure.
It's a box.
Wow, very comfy. Very comfy. Worth the price. If you are here, try these boots. पहन के तो एक बार देखना बनता है.
Sure.
Yeah. Tuesday is off, right?
Yes, Tuesday is off.
I'm looking like a Santa Claus. Scarves over here. Phone cases. Love the vibe of this place. The reds and all. Wow, amazing boots. What's the price range starting?
Starting only for 700, I think.
Oh, cool.
It's very cheap. It's 890.
Okay, so
right?
these are amazing kind of force suede material.
Yes.
With starting prices around 700 or 800 rupees.
Yes. See, these are long boots,
Yeah,
right?
quite
Till
affordable.
knee. And it's only 794.
Okay, cool. These are knee-high
Yeah,
boots?
knee-high boots.
Oh, great. Knee-high boots for 794. Really nice. And these ones would be a little bit expensive, I guess.
Yes. Oh, wait, I'll show you. The price is 750 only.
Oh,
the
nice.
quality also the same.
Yes. So the boots are really nice. Worth checking out, actually. I have actually tried one of the boots from Club Factory. It was very, very, very comfortable.
Yes.
We have some jackets over here as well. Bags, guys. Sweatshirts. This is pretty. I really like it. The price of this one is only 581. It's a fuzzy sweater and so pretty. They have color selection here as well. So you can definitely come here, yeah. You can come here and you can see the things by your own eyes, touch and feel, and then buy and use the coupon.
Yes.
Right, Sana?
Yes, you're right. Actually, you're right.
And for all those people who love flats, Club Factory has some flats collection as well.
And the price is also 540,
Great.
400 something like this only. The boot, this boots,
These are
840.
Yeah, these must be very comfortable. I feel like
yes,
yeah,
and the lightweight you know.
very lightweight. Yeah. And that's the men's section, right?
Yes, that's the men's
So we have something for the men audience as well. So boys can come here and they can find some really good stuff. Like for example, I like this jacket. This is a nice jacket.
color is also-
Yeah, it's a beautiful color. So that's the men's section. So overall, if I have to show you the store, it's kind of really tiny. It's like this big or small, but it has a very cozy, you know, warm vibe to it. So we have these kind of beauty massager and all
Yes.
those things that are available
one, yes.
online. Okay.
This massage.
Yeah, so this is also available, and the price of this is like this one. These are kind of very affordable.
376.
Yeah,
only.
very affordable on Club
Yes.
Factory. And these are a necessity for people like me who wear makeup. Yeah, it's good. Accessories, they also have these sunglasses starting, I guess they have 347, the same price range, guys, which is available online. And the mode of payment, they accept all kind of cards and everything, right? Cash and everything. This is the first store, right, in India?
First store in India, pan India.
Overall, guys, if I have to tell you, I really like the place. Club Factory, the vibe is really nice and this place is amazing. I'll just give you a just quick run of this place. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's all Christmassy here at the moment. And yeah, this is what the area looks like. You can definitely come here. I guess this is a shopping hub, and you find a lot of brands here. I loved coming to Club Factory offline store. This was apparently the first offline store in India. So if you are in Delhi, or if you happen to be in Delhi, do come and visit this place at an affordable price. You will get a lot of good stuff, which I'm really happy about. So now I'm looking for some coffee, book an Uber, and then just leave for home. It's like almost like 6 o'clock in the evening. See you from home. So guys, first of all, I really want to thank Club Factory for actually inviting me to their first ever offline store, which is open in Delhi, and I was very happy to be there. To be very honest, I hadn't had that great expectations from Club Factory. I have shopped a lot from Club Factory, and my experience has been 50-50. Sometimes I was very happy with the things, and sometimes I was not really happy with the quality of this things. But when I went into the store, the kind of jewelry, especially jewelry, I would like to mention over here, that they have some good quality jewelry. You can definitely count on those. So as I mentioned in the vlog as well, that you will not expect anything below 100 rupees. Everything is over 100 rupees, but they have definitely stepped up the quality. Also, not a lot of varieties available, and the shop is kind of really tiny. There are just 2 aisles, but the quality of the products is the first or the baby or the maiden step towards the brick and mortar shop. So I guess they are just expanding, and being a first shop, I feel the variety was okay. It is not as varied as probably what you will find online. But again, then shopping offline has also some perks and advantages, that you can see the quality of products. You can have the products right then and there. You don't really have to wait for 3 weeks, 4 weeks for things to arrive. And of course, you can pay in cash. So there are some advantages and some disadvantages. But overall, if I have to suggest you, I think if you are in Delhi and in Greater Kailash, around that area, I guess you should definitely check out Club Factory store if you are in need of some affordable stuff. I think if Club Factory tries to bring all its variety, it would need a multi-storied kind of a building, you know, to actually put all of the things that they actually have online. Yeah, so I have a coupon code for you. I have mentioned it in the vlog also. So make use of the coupon code for 10% off and free shipping as well. So go ahead, do that. Happy shopping, you guys. Do let me know how you like this video, and if you go to their shop, make sure that you mention about the discount and tell them that you've come through me. Yes. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you've liked it, and if you did, then be sure to hit that like button. I'm going to really appreciate it. And also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I would be very happy, extremely delighted to have you in my beautiful family. And also hit that bell button as well. That's going to give you the notification whenever I am on YouTube, whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Comment in the comment section below what you think about it, whether or not you're going, or anything that you have in mind. Do let me know in the comment section below. Yes. So I'll see you in my next one very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. I love you very much. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas in advance, and I love you so much. Bye guys. Mwah. I love you. Bye.